Okay, so I'm gonna be destroying the Nokia flip phone. It doesn't work anymore, so I didn't know what to do with it. Okay, so I'm gonna be destroying it. First, I'm gonna do a drop test. Drop one. Oh my god. Okay, so this thing came out. The battery came out. I'm just gonna leave them out. That came out and the battery. So, drop two. Oh, something came off. That's from this. Okay, now it's gonna be open. Drop one, open. Oh gosh. It's surviving. Okay, drop two. It survived. Is it scratched? Yeah, kinda. Okay, this is heavy. This hammer. It's really heavy. Okay, I'm just gonna drop it. Wait. Okay, drop it from up here. Oh gosh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Monday! Okay. I want to break it already. Ugh, ugh. Something's happening to it. Break! Oh my god. Why won't it break? Break. Break. Just, okay. No. Okay. Gonna do this. It's like that. Okay, now I'm gonna get this big heavy hammer, smash it right in the middle. Let's see what that did. Oh my god. Look at this. It still works, the keypad. The keypad still works. This used to be my dad's phone, but not anymore. Okay, I'm gonna smash it in the ground. Okay. This thing won't break. It's like indestructible. Now I'm gonna go throw it in water, cause I'm bored. I need a bowl. This bowl. This bowl. Wait. Okay. I'm just gonna get it. Drop. It's in water. I'm trying to break it. I broke this. It's still wet. Big smack, big smack, okay. Oh my god, this... won't break. What else should I do with this? I'm gonna drop it. Okay, so this is the end of the video. It still clicks when I press a button. And these are the results. It's really scratched. And right there it's really broken. And the battery popped out. This thing broke off. And it still clicks. I want to break the screen. Okay, so click the like button and subscribe for more videos. Peace.